Hey there, future homeowners. If you're thinking about buying a property but have no idea where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know with our complete buyer's toolkit. This is your roadmap from dreaming about homeownership to holding those keys in your hand. Let's start with stage 1, getting yourself financially ready. Before you even look at a single listing, you need to get your finances in order. This is non-negotiable. First things first, check your credit score. Your credit score is basically your financial report card, and lenders are going to look at it closely. If it's lower than you'd like, don't panic. You've got time to improve it before applying for a mortgage. Next up, start saving for your down payment. Now, a lot of people think you need 20% down, but that's not always true. Depending on the loan type, you could put down as little as 3 to 5%. Still, the more you put down, the better your loan terms will be, and the less you'll pay in interest over time. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This is huge. Pre-approval isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. When you go pre-approved, a lender looks at your income, debts, credit, and assets to determine exactly how much they'll lend you. This gives you a real budget to work with, and it shows sellers you're serious when you make an offer. Don't forget about closing costs either. These typically run between 2 and 5% of your home's purchase price. We're talking appraisals, inspections, title insurance, and attorney fees. Budget for these now so you're not caught off guard later. Now let's move into stage 2. The search and offer process. You've got your finances sorted. Now comes the fun part, finding your home. Use online platforms, work with a real estate agent, and drive neighborhoods you're interested in. But here's the key. Stay focused on your budget. Don't get emotionally attached to a house that's outside your price range. When you find a property you love, it's time to make an offer. Your offer should include the purchase price, inspection contingencies, and your timeline. A good agent will help you price this competitively based on comparable homes in the area. Once your offer is accepted, you're under contract. This is where things get serious. You'll typically have a window, usually 7 to 10 days, to conduct a home inspection. The inspector will go through every inch of that property and give you a detailed report on its condition. If major issues come up, you can renegotiate, request repairs, or walk away depending on your contingencies. Next comes the appraisal. The lender orders this to make sure the home's value matches the purchase price. If the appraisal comes in low, you've got options. Renegotiate the price, increase your down payment, or back out if you included an appraisal contingency. Finally, stage 3, closing and beyond. You're almost there. Your inspection passed, your appraisal came through, and everything's moving forward. Now it's time to finalize everything. Do a final walkthrough of the property. This is your last chance to make sure all agreed upon repairs were completed and that the home is in the condition you expected. Check that appliances included in the sale are still there. Verify that nothing has changed since you made your offer. Review your closing disclosure document carefully. This outlines all your loan terms, monthly payments, closing costs, and final numbers. You'll get this at least 3 days before closing. So read it thoroughly and ask questions about anything you don't understand. At closing, you'll sign a stack of documents. Yes, it's a lot of paperwork, but each document serves a purpose. You're signing the promissory note, the mortgage or deed of trust, and various disclosures. Your title company or attorney will walk you through everything. Then comes the moment you've been waiting for. You get your keys. You're officially a homeowner. But here's the thing. Homeownership doesn't end at closing. Budget for maintenance and repairs. Set aside money for property taxes and insurance. These ongoing costs are just as important as your mortgage payment. Here's what I want you to do right now. Don't go into this process blind. Get our complete buyer's toolkit. It's got checklists, timelines, financial worksheets, and everything else you need to navigate this journey with confidence. Check the link in the bio to access your toolkit today. This resource is going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Whether you're a first-time buyer or you're coming back to the market, having the right tools and knowledge makes all the difference. You've got this. Now go get that home.